In the heart of Porto, oitoo has rescued an abandoned renovation. A half-built shell turned into house/atelier. This hybrid homework studio weaves together past and future, restoring forgotten bones into a coherent, light-filled dwelling. Existing stone perimeter walls support new concrete volumes, shaped to respect the street and open to the rear garden. 3 facades allow natural light deep into the interior, while the garden elevation becomes the home's true face. The design retains existing structures, judiciously demolishing and reusing, blending old stone walls with new concrete seamlessly. With passive ventilation, cork insulation, sustainable timber, and water energy recovery systems, it demonstrates a refined commitment to eco-design. In the ground level, workspaces and atelier open to the street, public, flexible, and connected. In the first floor, a generous living area overlooking the garden becomes the pivot between studio below and bedrooms above. In the second floor, private bedrooms with views and natural light, offering calm retreat within the same structure. Deep garden frontage and facade perforations allow daylight and airflow to animate interiors, maintaining comfort without mechanical systems. A central winter garden or atrium further enhances light, thermal comfort, and circulation. A raw yet refined material vocabulary. Original stone walls, exposed concrete slabs, cork insulation, and wooden flooring. Accents of turquoise in fixtures and furnishings enliven the interiors with a joyful contrast. The atelier floors flow with openness, tables, tools, and workspace coexisting with living areas. Clean-lined furnishings, bright whites, and natural textures keep focus on materiality and light. Turquoise accents punctuate living spaces. A generous backyard garden becomes the heart of the house, integrating exterior and interior through continuity and openness. The living area connects directly to this outside room, creating ambience, climate control, and spatial extension. House/Atelier by oitoo is testament to architectural redemption, transforming an abandoned structure into a home of light, memory, and renewed purpose. Here, old walls and new aspirations converge, forging a place where domestic life and creative work share space in poetic unity.